C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of a package opening. I'm expecting a couple of packages, and I know this one is actually from one of our fantastic members on our UK Locksport forum. Difficult to pronounce his username. It goes by the name of yalesleviathan, or don't know how to pronounce it, so I apologise. I'll put the sort of forum username up on there. It's quite an awkward one to pronounce, but thank you so much, my friend. Like I say, I know it's yours because I could see the sort of sender address on the side, so you're an absolute diamond. Reason I'm sort of stressing package wise is I'm expecting another one from fantastic The Caveman 1966, which there was a little bit of a boo-boo regarding him sending the package out, which can be done, mate. Don't beat yourself up about it. But what happened is Caveman was also sending a package to Norseman Lockpicker, another fantastic picker out there on YouTube. And my good friend The Caveman, when he was sort of packaging the locks and things up to send as care packages, he put my locks in Norseman Lockpicker's box, and in Norseman's box he put the locks that were meant to be for me. So Norseman is literally, he received my package, so he's had a little bit of a play. I think it was on YouTube, you might have seen that. So he's had a bit of a play with them and he's now shipping them out to me. I've not received Norseman Lockpicker's package yet, but I do have a while you were out card, so my wife might be able to pick that up from me from the post office. Let's get this one open, see what's inside it. And it could be a couple of pairs locks, but from the size of the box I'm not sure, unless he's really well packaged them. This could do with being sharpened up a tad, but never mind. Spin it around. Also, with the camera sort of focusing down here, guys, the locks may not be in focus when I take them out, but I'll add photographs afterwards if they are out of focus. Let's have a look. I've literally taken the addresses off, but I do actually have an address on this. So let me just move it out of the way. It looks like it's been maybe cut apart, so Royal Mail might have had a boo-boo with this. Little note: hi Rich, as promised, please find enclosed 2 times per pairs mini Euro locks. I've also put in a P210 Yale padlock that are great fun to pick, plus some Yale Y110 blanks for your locks. Oh, very kind of you, my friend. If you need a key, some good quality leather that might come in handy for the core linings. Ah, right, excellent. Ah, leather for pick cases or for pick handles. All the best. Thank you so much, my friend. Let's have a look what's in here. Ah, they're the blanks. Let me just move this to one side and... oh, that's fantastic. Got some nice blanks there, so I can actually have a little go impressioning. Never done it before, but it's something I've always really wanted to try out. Move the bubble wrap to one side. Very well packaged, mate. Ooh, the Ultra Pays locks. And they will go really nice in my collection. Like I say, you probably can't see that. But working keys as well. Very nice. If I recall, I think he said that these were sort of 1970s type locks. You know, don't quote me on that, but I think they were sort of well used in the 1970s. So that's those, sort of two there. And this, oh wow, yes. Nice pieces of leather there. They're making, I would really like to get one of the full roll up sort of toolkits, you know, like you see from it's Sparrows and things like that, where you've literally got your machined parts there and it rolls literally up. I'm not right good with a sewing machine, neither's my wife, but I think I might be able to find somebody that is. So that is fantastic, it really is. Put that to one side. And that's the Yale. Don't think I've picked one of those before. Absolutely fantastic, my friend. Very, very kind of you. And I think that's everything in there. So again, thank you. You are an absolute diamond. And I'm sending you a couple of bits and pieces in the post as well, as a thank you. But this was really, really kind of you. Very, very kind. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. I know it's not a lot of picking video, but thanks for watching. Happy picking, and please keep it legal.